Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lone Swap Ho Shillong. One bantiet ya ka Kali Datsun Ready Go batamai ka baskem bat bidor.
Ulat jong kejela Usatya Pal Malik ha ke pratrik unok pra arjar arpo ulah hier syarilom jentia ban yekendo kerpang yeki hair officer jong kitrat traikam beper jong ke east bat ke west jentia hills district nagebenta ban swar jingtip ha ke bayadai bat ke jingpen telun bat ke jingpen traikam yeki skim penroy balathe de ke sorkar pedeng harilom jentia ha ke jingelang bat ki hair officer ke balalong ha circuit house joai ulat jong kejela ulapan jingken ha ka bayadai bat ka jing pentraikam yaki skim bat ki program kum ka MGNREGA ka PMAY ka NHM ka PMJAY MHIS ka SSA ka PM Jandhan Yojana bat ka Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Nagaliang jong additional deputy commissioner jong ka East Jentia Hills District uba SS Imle but extra assistant commissioner jong ka West Jentia Hills District uba MA Chalam kila ai jing kain tik patik ha ulat jong ka jela ha ka bayadai bat ka jing pentrai yakini ki scheme jong ka sarkar pedeng ha kini ki artli ki district jong ka jela ha kani ka jing yalang ledon langru deputy commissioner jong ka West Jentia Hills District uba Garot LSN Dykes but deputy commissioner jong ka East Jentia Hills District uba E Kharmalki nangta superintendent of police jong ka West Jentia Hills District B Marak but superintendent of police jong ka East Jentia Hills District Dipak Kumar Palecha.
Honorable Prime Minister is very much interested in his schemes, generally regarding roads, regarding health, education, and then during this COVID period, free food. During Bihar elections, it was found that large number of people were benefited by these schemes. So I was of the view that I must have a first-hand information that how central money is being used, and if they need anything else. For that also I will be going and telling him, and I will give him the reports that this is the situation of your schemes. CM has to deal with them. I am not directly involved with them. If they give some memorandum, I will give it to Center. Center will take the decision. So I am just a postman, so I don't want to say anything. I'm sure because I have got reports in black and white also. I will go through them. In such a short time, I cannot make any judgment on the work. But yes, there are something where we do need some more work.